Hello everyone, welcome to Short Gyan by Gopal Sharma, and I welcome you all in this video lecture series of Python programming full course. So the agenda of today is comment. So first of all, let's quickly make another file 07 underscore comments.py. So today we will see what are comments in Python and how to use them or write them. For an example, let me write some code. Print uh, This is sample printing. Let's check whether it is running or not. Okay, it's running properly. So if I, being a programmer, writing this code and sending it to someone else who is a user of this code or the executable file, and if he reaches the code here, how would he know? Or let's take some easy example. Suppose you are there, and if you are seeing this code for first time, how would you get to know that what this code is doing here? Okay, what the purpose of this code? For in practical, uh, the comments are used to write some documentation, like this is print statement to print something in Python. So if I run this code, then see what's the problem. Here, this is print statement is an invalid syntax. This is an invalid syntax because this is nothing. This is just a simple statement and it cannot be recognized by the Python. So for this, if we want to write something else which must not be recognized by the interpreter, we will use comments. So for the comments, we use a pound symbol or hash symbol before any line. If we write it in such a way, then this line will be ignored by the compiler or the interpreter. I'm sorry, the interpreter of the Python. So the comment are actually used to make the code readable. Now if you read this is print statement to print something in Python. Okay, now you will easily get to know that what this statement is doing here. This print statement, it is used to print anything or something in Python. These are known as comment. If I write some another example, int a is equals to 5. Okay, sorry, this happens when you works on multiple programming languages. The int a was the syntax for using in C language. So moving on, if I write a equals to 5 and I want to say that this is type integer type value. So this line would be taken in consideration by the interpreter, but if I make comment of this, then this would be ignored. Let's try. Let me clear the terminal. Okay, now run it again. This is simple printing. This line got printed and a equals to 5. I haven't used it. Let's use it. Run it again. This is simple printing and 5. No error encountered again because these lines are ignored by the Python interpreter. So this was all about the comments. You need not to understand anything else more than this. The comments are used to make the code readable, to understand the code, and the comments are ignored by the Python interpreter. So there is some another way also. If you write this thing, triple single quotes, this is also a comment, but is multi-line comment. If I write it in this way, multi-line comment, if I want to write a comment for multiple lines, look, this would not work here. If I want to comment all this at once, I will have to put pound symbol in front of each line. But if I use the triple single quotes, you can write multiple line blah 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 till the closing of this. Everything would be considered as comment. Let's make it run. Look here. Let me make it clear for you. Again, run the program. Look, ignored by the Python interpreter. So if you want to write a single line comment, use the syntax. This is single line comment. And if you want to write multi-line comment, this is a multi-line comment. This was all about the comment, and for this video we will see you next time. Share the video, like the video, and ask for any queries in the comment section. Subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye bye.